Hello everyone, for today's videos I'm going to show you how to secure the main engine for Overhaul. So to start the simulation I need to press Shift F1.
You will have 20 minutes to fulfill the assessment.
So we only have 20 minutes. Click OK. I will go here in the panel directory and proceed in the bridge control. So here we still have 25.8 RPM. So we need to wait until this one will be stopped. Now we already received a stop signal. So
repair malfunction. Replace the turbocharger Veladon filters during engine stop.
And by the way, we need to repair the malfunction, which is to replace the turbocharger filters. Click OK. Click here, finish with engine control room, and responsibility, and proceed here in the main engine control and accept the main engine status and as well as the responsibility of transfer. So now we are okay. I'm going to proceed here on the cylinder number 1. I need to open the indicator cocks. Open, page down, open, page down, open, open, and open. Now indicator cocks are all open. I need to proceed here on the local control and I need to engage the turning gear. Turning gear is engaged. Acknowledge the alarm. Okay. And as stated earlier, we need to change the turbocharger filters. So click this letter M. This is the malfunction page, and reset the main engine turbocharger air filter dirty. Click reset. Okay. Close it. Go here on the panel directory, and before securing any of the pumps, we need to put it on manual. So unclick this. Also the blowers, and go here on the blower page, switch off the blowers, and after switching it off we need to switch off the breaker. So main switchboard and switch off the breakers for main engine auxiliary blowers. Now is we need to isolate each systems. So let's go here first on the freshwater system. I need to put the pumps in local and stop the pump. Close this valve, and this valve. And we need to drain the water, the cooling water on the main engine by opening this valve. So we have already secured the HT. We will secure the LT. So I need to start the auxiliary pump and stop this main LT pump. So now I already finished here. Acknowledge the alarm for low pressure. So press page down for the next page, and same. So we need to isolate the fuel system. So I need to put the pumps in local and switch off these pumps. Afterwards, we need to close the valves, drain the lines, close this valve, the steam, this one, switch off the visco motor, close this valve, and also this shut-off valve. So we need to close this one and alarm will be there. Acknowledge the alarm. So this one is for the MEFO emergency shut-off valve since we closed this one. Fuel oil system is already secured. We'll now proceed by clicking page down, and we are now here in the lubrication system. Same procedures. I need to isolate it by putting the pumps in local and switch off the this lube oil pumps. Okay, after switching it off, we need to close the valves. So we need to acknowledge first the alarm. So this one is shut down and slow down pre-warning because of the lube oil. So let's go back here. We need to close the valves, go into our main engine. Okay, now is our main engine lube oil system is isolated. So here there's nothing to do. Same also here. Here on the maneuvering system, we need to put the local control in local, and we need to isolate the air system. So close, 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 go here in the control system, close this one, and go back. And now we have already isolated, switch off all the pumps and drained, depressurizing it. So our main engine is now ready for overhaul. Thanks for watching, and wait for my new video. Thanks, and bye bye, chat.